YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you best small backyard deck design ideas and tips for decorating small outdoor backyard decks to look spacious bigger. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many homeowners, a backyard represents a blank canvas for creating a personal outdoor haven. But what if limited square footage seems to restrict your vision? Fear not. Even the most compact backyards hold immense potential for transformation. Here's where the magic of small deck design comes in. A backyard deck is a raised platform constructed outdoors, typically attached to the back of your house. It provides a designated space for relaxation, entertaining, or simply enjoying the fresh air. Decks come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, making them adaptable to any backyard, including the most petite ones. Adding a deck to your backyard, regardless of size, unlocks a multitude of benefits such as expands your living space. A deck seamlessly extends your living area outdoors, offering valuable additional square footage for entertaining, dining, or quiet moments of solitude. Enhances functionality. Decks provide a dedicated platform for various outdoor activities, from hosting barbecues to setting up a cozy reading nook. Increases home value. A well-designed deck adds aesthetic appeal and functionality to your property, potentially boosting its market value. Creates a connection with nature. Decks foster a stronger connection with your outdoor environment, allowing you to embrace fresh air and natural surroundings. How to make your backyard deck look good. Here are some key principles to transform your small deck into a stylish and inviting space. Scale matters. Opt for furniture and decor proportional to your deck's size. Oversized pieces will overwhelm the space, while smaller items will create a sense of openness. Embrace multifunctionality. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes, like ottomans with storage or tables that fold away. Material harmony. Select deck materials that complement your home's overall style and blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, or strategically placed sconces can dramatically enhance the ambience and functionality of your deck, especially during evenings. How to make a small backyard deck look spacious. While square footage might be limited, you can create the illusion of spaciousness through clever design techniques. Deck shape. Opt for a rectangular or square deck design to maximize usable area. L-shaped decks can work well too, but avoid overly complex shapes that fragment the space. Railing design. Opt for low-profile railings made of glass or cable to maintain an open and airy feel. Mirrored magic. Strategically placed mirrors can reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Vertical gardens. Utilize vertical planters or hanging baskets to add greenery without sacrificing precious floor space. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of top 10 small backyard deck design ideas. 1. Built-in seating. Maximize space by incorporating built-in benches along the perimeter of your deck, offering additional seating without adding bulky furniture. 2. Folding furniture. Invest in foldable chairs and tables that can be easily stored away when not in use, maintaining a clutter-free environment. 3. Multi-level deck. Consider a split-level deck design to create designated areas for dining, lounging, or gardening, maximizing functionality in a compact space. 4. Compact fire pit. A small fire pit adds warmth and ambience to your deck, perfect for cozy evenings under the stars. 5. Privacy screen. Create a sense of intimacy with a retractable privacy screen made of fabric or bamboo. 6. Corner conversation set. A compact corner conversation set with built-in storage utilizes a corner space efficiently, creating a dedicated seating area. 7. Hanging plants. Liven up your deck with hanging planters overflowing with vibrant greenery, adding a touch of nature without sacrificing floor space. 8. Outdoor rug. Define your deck space and add a pop of color with a weather-resistant outdoor rug. 9. String lights. String lights draped overhead or along railings create a magical ambience, perfect for evening gatherings. 10. DIY herb garden. Install a small raised herb garden on your deck for a touch of greenery and readily available fresh herbs for your culinary. With a little creativity and these design ideas in mind, your small backyard deck can transform into a functional and stylish extension of your living space. Remember, maximizing functionality in a compact area doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring deck design ideas and expert tips to bring your backyard oasis to life. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest home decor trends and DIY projects. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.